As we've just seen, life is full of surprises. And here at Marchwood on the Hampshire coast, one of the services has a school of divers. What's not generally known, though, is that these naval-looking types are soldiers, Royal Engineers, in fact. People assume, naturally enough, that it's the Navy who's responsible for all Frogmen activities, but far from it, as you'll see. Actually, to be strictly accurate, these men are not frogmen. They're called shallow water divers. A frogman, in the true sense, breathing from a closed-circuit oxygen supply, is used when there's need for a silent, unseen approach. More often, this type of diver, breathing compressed air, which gives off bubbles, is used. While they're swimming to the target zone, let's look at another aspect of training featuring the standard diving rig. These days, we tend to regard it as somewhat old-fashioned, but the experts still swear by this method for certain jobs. Surprisingly enough, the sappers first started diving in 1839, when the wreck of the Royal George was removed after being submerged for nearly 60 years. Today, they're rightly proud of their underwater tradition. Incidentally, the oxy-hydrogen cutting torch will cut up to 9 inches of mild, that is ordinary steel, underwater. Meanwhile, the shallow water divers have been laying explosives to blow up some imaginary underwater installation. In wartime, the Navy would carry out most of the aggressive underwater actions, while the sappers play primarily a defensive role, although they do have their own paratroop specialists who'd be dropped behind enemy lines. In this case, the 15 pounds plastic charge is detonated electrically from the shore. However, don't let this put you off swimming in the sea. They only do this when no one's around, we hope.